Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I welcome you in the social class. Students, as we have finished our 7th lesson, so we will start our 8th lesson, Climate in India. Climate, C-L-I-M-A-T-E, climate in India, I-N-D-I-A, India. See students, as we already know, the temperature on earth makes it an ideal planet for all living things, so that the planets are either too hot or too climate. So now we will see that what the story they have shared here. Joy looked out of the window, means Joy looked out of the window, W-I-N-D-O-W, window. The sun was up, strong and bright. A dry hot wind was blowing. The climate is very hot today, he said, closing the window. You mean the weather? Grandma corrected him. Yes, certainly the weather is very hot today. You and Millie better stay indoors, Grandma advised to the Joy. So, what is the difference between weather and climate, students? See, weather tells us about the conditions of sunshine, rain, wind, and temperature in a place at a certain time. Once again, I am repeating. See, weather tells us about the conditions of sunshine, rain, wind, and temperature in a place at a certain time. So, the weather can change a lot within a few hours in one single day. See, weather will change within a few hours, within a few days, within a few months. So, the changes of temperature is known as a weather. For instance, when you make up it might by raining, but by the time you get ready for the school, the weather might become bright and sunny. What they are saying that when we will wake up, it might be raining in the day, but after some time, when we are ready for the school, the weather may become a bright and the sunny. So, climate defines the weather of a place over a longer period of time. Climate and weather. Okay. Climate, C-L-I-M-A-T-E, climate. What climate defines? See, the climate defines the weather of a place. See, the same weather, if for a long period, if it is same, then that is a climate, and it will over a long period of time. So, for instance, when we say that it is cold in the Himalayas and humid in the coastal regions. So when we are saying that, when we will get a name of Himalaya, we will think that place is a very cold, means that is a climate of that. We are actually talking about the climate of these places. We are actually talking about the climate of these places. Okay, students. Now we'll move that. See, the climate of a place is affected by the kinds of temperature. Temperature, T-E-M-P-E-R-A-T-U-R-E, temperature. So, and the amount of rainfall in a place. Places that are near the sea have a moderate, M-O-D-E-R-A-T-E, moderate type of climate. What do you mean by moderate, student? Moderate is nothing but it is neither too much or not too little of something. Means it is in an equal. Okay, so the mountains are cooler places while the plains are warmer. In desert regions, the climate is hot and dry. As we know that different parts of India have a different landform. So the climate changes as we move from one place to another place, or one kind of landform to the another kind of landform. So the climate of a place also depend upon factors such as direction of the wind, D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N, direction of the wind at a particular time of the year. It also depends on the distance of the place from the equator. The equator, as we know that, students, the equator is an imaginary line that rounds around the middle of the earth. And equator is a line which divides the earth into two equal halves. Okay, so we are having a different seasons in India. What? Summer, S-U-M-M-E-R, summer, M-O-N-S-O-O-N, monsoon, and winter, W-I-N-T-E-R, winter are the three main seasons of India. Spring and autumn, S-P-R-I-N-G, spring and autumn, A-U-T-U-M-N, autumn are the two other seasons. So now we will see the three main seasons of India now. What is the summer? See, summer starts from mid-March and it lasts till about the mid-June. And the temperature is very high and it is very hot. The days are longer than the nights are summer. Days are very longer in the summer and the nights are very somewhat short. So in India, most of the places have a hot summer except from the regions high up in the hills. So while the sea breeze brings some relief for the coastal region, the plains and the plateaus are very hot in the summer season. And hot dry winds called Loo is a common in North India during summer. So at times there are dust storms. Such storms are also common in the desert region. South India is comparatively less hot as it is surrounded by the sea all the sides. So the weather is a moderate here. Hill stations are usually pleasant during the summer. This is the reason why people like to visit these places. These places means hill stations during the summer vacations. Now coming to the monsoon season, see the rainy season or the monsoon season. Monsoon season is also known as the rainy season, and it arrives in India in the month of June and ends in September. So monsoon winds blow from Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea. So the winds carry with them moisture and form clouds that give us rain. Rain is a natural source of water on the earth. That's why our earth is also known as a unique planet, because we are having our earth is covered by the 3/4 of water, and for that water the rain is a natural source. Many rivers, lakes and ponds depend on the rain for water. Some of the rainwater seeps into the ground and is stored as a groundwater. Though there are many artificial means of irrigation students, IRRIGATION, irrigation, the farmers in many parts of the country depends on rains. So the distribution of rains varies from region. Region is nothing but a area students, area to area. So in parts of Rajasthan, we are having hardly we will receive a rainfall. In Meghalaya, it is the wettest place on the earth, and also rains heavily in the hilly coastal and northern states. And very heavy rainfall may cause floods. FLOWDS, floods. Floods are nothing but an overflow of water onto dry land areas. And in some places, the monsoon may have very poor in a particular. These may cause droughts. Drought means a longer period of time where there is not enough rain. So students will stop here. Practice the hard words which I have underlined it. So students copy these hard words and practice it. Wait for the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.